Assalamualaikum, students of Physics MCQS. So today again we will focus on multiple choice questions. We are requesting you to share your views. Either we will continue to explain physics basic concepts through theory or by MCQs. So the today first MCQ is shown. 4 particles have same momentum which has maximum kinetic energy. Options are proton, neutron, electron and alpha particle. The right answer is electron. Why electron? The smaller the mass of the particle, larger its kinetic energy. And this can be proved by an expression which is okay. The next MCQs is in nuclear reaction there is conservation of. Options are shown. Right answer is mass, energy and momentum. Before and after reaction, all of three are conserved. The MCQ 3 is the particles which can be added to the nuclei of atom without changing its chemical properties are. They are neutrons. Because on adding neutrons, chemical properties of element do not change. Therefore, neutrons are those particles. While adding proton, electron and alpha particles, their atomic number changes and obviously chemical properties are also changed. Okay, the fourth MCQ. Radioactive isotope of hydrogen is tritium, deuterium, protium and orthohydrogen. Answer is tritium. The figure is shown of hydrogen, deuterium and tritium, and their difference of proton and neutrons are also shown. Next is isotopes have imbalance of neutrons and protons, so they are unstable and they decay and continually emit radiations to achieve more stable form. Tritium is a beta emitting radioactive isotope of hydrogen. This may come as an MCQ and its nucleus consists of 1 proton and 2 neutrons. Next is the graphs are shown on your screen. These are between kinetic energy and number of alpha and beta particles. The graph between number of alpha particles and kinetic energy has constant energy values, while between beta particle and kinetic energy has range of energy values. That the energy released in beta decay is actually shared between the beta particles and neutrinos, and this is also the clue of the neutrinos existence. And one more thing to remember is that conservation of momentum and energy applies in both alpha and beta emitted. Okay, MCQ 5 is which of the following particles annihilates electrons? Answer is positron. And photons do not annihilate, they only interact, and whenever they collide they turn into electron and anti-electron, which on interaction annihilate and turn back into a photon. MCQ is nuclear force is. Options are given. Right answer is nuclear force is spin dependent but charge independent. Spin dependent means the force is stronger for particles with their spins aligned than for those who their spin anti-aligned, and charge independent means it does not depend whether the charges are protons or neutrons. If the nuclear radius of aluminium is 3.6 Fermi, the approximate nuclear radius of copper in Fermi is. Answer is 4.8 Fermi. The explanation is given. Okay, the next MCQ is what was the fissionable material used in the bomb dropped at Nagasaki, Japan in the year 1945? Answer is plutonium. MCQ number 9 is the most penetrating radiation out of the following is. Right answer is gamma rays. From figure you can analyze this. MCQ 10, the last one, when two deuterium fuse together to form a tritium nucleus we get. Answer is alpha particle, and from the figure we can see this. This video is ended. Hope you will like it, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Inshallah, in the next coming videos, we will discuss MCQs on thermodynamics. Hope you will like it. Allah Hafiz.